Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm just doing this little 20 by 20 experiment. I am using that mandala I can't remember the exact name, please tell me, my brain has left the building. But I am going to use that. I was going to pour through it and then I thought, I've seen it done on other videos and it just doesn't leave any particular pattern pouring over it because all the paint sort of moulds in. So I've added that beautiful navy and gold as my base, and I'm literally going to do that skinny dip I've been doing, which is pressing something. It can be a canvas or a piece of MDF just into the thinner paint, the skinny, so it's skinny dipped, and I want to see if it'll leave me any of those nice patterns imprinted in that canvas. But before I'm sort of pulling that off, I'm going to do the chaos blow around it, because I think it'll be, it looks a little bit awkward, but I think it'll come out with a lot of movement and sort of give it a dimension. So let's see how this goes when I blow it out with my little mini blower. Look at that movement and those colours. They really do look so lovely together. I've been using them, those particular colours, in lots of different techniques this week. It's left a kind of little bit look, but not a really fabulous imprint. Maybe if I'd put the whole of the mandala on a bigger canvas and pressed it in, I'll get that, so I may try that later. As you can see, it did kind of leave some leaf patterns there, but it wasn't like too thrilling. So what I did end up doing with this piece was, I'm only just learning it, so I'm not very good with it, is that Procreate program where you can put your artwork and then it's basically put something into, you've seen them. I think G Pause does them. You can like imprint a face or a bird, or for this instant I tried a little sailboat with a moon behind it, and I also trialed a whale's tail, which I'll put the photos at the end. But I thought I just needed something to lift this piece, because it didn't give the exact kind of impression on the canvas that I wanted. So I'm just doing these two little blown out blooms. Why? Because I want to. And remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. So you just do what gives you joy. And these little canvases like this are always nice to give as a gift, or instead of a gift card, or just to family or friends, I guess, if it's a little thing that they'd like to have, and it's always nice to give them. All right, well, that was a fun experiment, but again, it showed me that didn't really work on a small canvas, and I will try it on a bigger canvas, trying to get that imprint on it. But let's have a little look-see now. Well, it didn't turn out as I had in my mind, as that's pretty normal for me. But it has given me an idea. It didn't quite transfer the pattern. It did there, but obviously I needed a more solid surface to actually push that mandala. What do they call them? Mandala? No, whatever. But I could put it on the mandala when it's dry and actually tape up the areas I don't want and spray over it to the shape to come through it, which I may very well do. It was just a test, but I love the actual balloon kisses in there. As you know, that's my thing. It's colours. I'm getting a bit of glare back, but we'll see how it dries. And but it's given me some food for thought. So you have to keep practicing on different things or ideas you have in your head. They sometimes work out, and most times for me they don't work out, but they take a different direction, and then I'm usually happy with. So there you go. We'll just see how that one dries, or if I decide to add some embellishment to it, I will let you know. But I'll put the dry photos on at the end, and if you've got any other ideas to do with my little mandala, I was going to just pour paint over it, but I've done that before, and it's just when you lift it up, it just all goes into, you can't tell the pattern. So the only way to get the shape would be for me to spray and get the nice leaf shapes in, so it's kind of like a stencil, I guess. But anyway, my lovelies, it has got some nice sort of leafy looking things. So even though it's not sort of fluid art in that part, it with the different techniques and the sort of nice softness, it does actually look quite sweet. A nice little gift to give somebody instead of a greeting card, a birthday card, or a thank you card. So just a little idea. Okay, I will say bye for now. Please take care of yourselves.
Just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two albums. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine.